Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. First and foremost, I'm going to talk about purchasing this item, and also I wanted to point out or shout out something that I also got in this sale. So Farfetch had a sale recently for 20% off new items, I believe, or like new seasoned items, and this bodysuit is something that I purchased from that sale. It's from Wolford, and it's just like the deep V bodysuit, y'all. This is amazing. I think I got it for 80 bucks on sale, I believe. I could be wrong, you guys, but I'm pretty sure it was 80 bucks. And this is one of the nicest bodysuits that I've ever purchased in my life. It sort of feels like shapewear, but it's like very secure, very smooth, very stretchy, elastic, but still thick and nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't want you guys all to see my boobs. And also I don't want you guys to see my sleeping pants shorts that I have on underneath. But this is one of the items that I purchased from the sale as well. I will link it down below if I can find shopping links, but I also purchased a bag during this sale. And I don't know why, I was skimming through the sale pages and I saw it and I was like, oh, hello. This color hasn't gone on sale yet where I'm at, and I can't find it on sale anyways, or just even on the website in Europe. So I'm gonna order it. You guys probably already know what it is if you've watched my channel and you have seen a bag that I talk about often on my channel and that I've ordered from Farfetch. You already know what this is gonna be. But doesn't matter, I can still show you guys an unboxing and talk about it a little bit. And with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into this hopefully very simple unboxing. This is what the box looks like. I already opened it, as you guys can see. I'm trying to cover up my information, y'all, so you don't see everything. But when you open up the box, you can see that it says it came from Farfetch, and you can already tell from the, what is this called, dust bag, where it's going to be from. And it came from Lithuania. And a little bit more information. I know you guys come here just for the unboxing, but there are a few people that are interested in backstories and whatnot. I believe in Europe these bags went up a little bit in price. I also think in the United States they might have as well, maybe not, but in Europe they did. And they got rid of a lot of colors off of the European website. I know that this color is available in the United States. I think it is new. I will try to see if it's in Germany or not, but I don't think so. And when I ordered it and when I looked at it online, I thought it was going to be white. My eyes, I have bad vision, you guys, so it was my own mistake. And I was like, oh, I don't have a white bag. That would be very interesting to own. Then when I got it and opened it, it wasn't white. And yeah, when I opened it, I was actually more surprised because it was a different color than what I thought it would be. And so yeah, this is what it came like in the box. It didn't come with a Tory Burch box. It didn't come with a Tory Burch anything. It just literally came like this, and there was a plastic bag wrapped around it. But I wanted to take the plastic off because it didn't look that nice in my opinion. And so yeah, opening it up, taking it out, you guys, and this is what, oh well, you can't really tell, hold on, this is what I got, and it is the, of course, Tory Burch Fleming in the small, and the color is called New Cream with Gold Hardware. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna try to unpack everything really quickly, you guys, so you can see it first, or see like with me. I haven't unpacked it yet. This is all new for me. This is the first time seeing it. I'm gonna leave this stuff on because I think it'll take too long and it's also very loud. But this is what the bag looks like, y'all. Wait. I am so excited because look, this now has a baby, or not a baby, it's a sister or a cousin. It's a relative of some sort. I don't even have to like say anything because I already know what the bag is like. I don't need to go into detail of what it looks like or what it feels like because it's the same exact bag as the black one, except it's in the color New Cream. Let me make sure that I'm telling you this correctly. It is called the Fleming Small Convertible Shoulder Bag in New Cream, one size. And you guys are probably thinking I'm crazy because I just got a bag, which is very true. I just bought my Speedy, but I really honestly could not resist when I saw this bag on sale because it's a light color. It's a foundation base color, neutral color. And sometimes these colors don't always go on sale. Sometimes on Black Friday you get 20% off, and that's about as deep as it goes. And then some of the more seasonal or fun colors go a little bit more than 20% off when they're out of style. But generally speaking, when it comes to these types of creams and blacks, they don't go too low. So I got this, I think, a little bit under 400 or right at 400. And with the euro being as weak as it is, I paid the exact equivalent. So it was either a little bit under 400 or exactly at 400, which is what I would be paying for this bag during Black Friday. I mean, in the United States, you have to pay tax as well. So it'd probably been like 420 bucks during Black Friday. So I technically got it cheaper than if I would have purchased it during Black Friday, which is usually the, how do you say, lowest that they go. I love this bag, you guys. If you've seen my Tory Burch bag videos, there are a bunch. You guys know that I love this bag. I think almost 100 of you guys have purchased this bag off of my links down below, my recommendation. It's one of my favorite bags ever, and I was very close to getting the Eleanor because the Eleanor was only 30 or 40 bucks more. They had it on sale as well, but the color was a very vibrant orange, and I just thought this would go with a lot more. It's a little bit more versatile, and I already knew that I liked this bag because I have the black version. I always like give my, how do you say, hit and miss with Farfetch. I have very positive experiences with Farfetch, and I have sometimes very negative experiences with Farfetch. But these two purchases, so this purchase from Farfetch, this was extremely like quick, fast to my door. I ordered this, I think, on a Sunday, and it is now Tuesday. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is now Tuesday and it is here. It was nicely packaged, as you guys saw. I mean, could there have been a box? Probably, but I'm not really concerned about that. And when you're ordering from Farfetch, you sort of have like this 50-50 chance of getting all of the bells and whistles or getting partial bells and whistles. And for me, paying 100 something less than retail for this bag is worth not getting the boxes, because I don't even like the Tory Burch boxes like that, you guys. As long as I have a dust bag, I'm perfectly fine. And also this suit, this bodysuit, was an amazing purchase. And so I'm like, there are really good deals to be found on Farfetch. This video is not sponsored or anything. It's just you have to be willing to dig. One of my favorite things that I like to do is to make a wish list and have like stuff saved in, and then like go on my wish list every now and then to see if anything has gone down in price, if anything has increased, if there's a coupon that I can use on some of the stuff in my wish list and then be able to save a little bit of money. But generally speaking, you can find good deals. I have not been able to find this bodysuit anywhere else for less, I think less than 80 bucks, 80 bucks. I've not been able to find this bodysuit anywhere. And so that I was able to find it on Farfetch for that amount is crazy. And to also get this little bag as well on sale was crazy for me. But yeah, give credit where credit is due. It was an amazing shopping experience for me. I have some awesome basics. I think I'm gonna take, I always say this, I think I'm gonna take a little break now from bags. I am very happy. I don't think I need the Tory Burch Fleming in any other colors. I think these two are amazing. I think these are awesome basics, and if you're looking for an affordable luxury bag, this is an option for you. I wouldn't buy two of the same bag if I did not really love them. I would buy two of the same bags of my very more expensive luxury designer bags, but these are a little bit more attainable in my eyes. If I could buy the mini Delphine in a whole bunch of different colors and styles and fabrics, I would, but I can't. So being able to spend like 400, a couple $100 on these bags and have multiples of them, knowing that I love them, knowing that they're high quality, is worth it to me. So yeah, that was it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go now. Me, my Wolford bodysuit, and my new Tory Burch bag are gonna go and have a wonderful evening. So thank you for watching, you guys. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.